Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to build a weather forecast display using ESP32 and Open Weather API, all managed through Smokecode. With this project, you will be able to get real-time weather updates on a serial monitor, and Smokecode makes it super easy to manage. Take a OnStart node, connect your Wi-Fi firstly, Wi-Fi start, add your Wi-Fi credentials, and the output will be a success code. Display the output on serial monitor. Connect the flow. Use an on interval. Set the time period of 1 second. So, add a global year. Add. So, if the status code is equals to 0, which means if the Wi-Fi is connected, condition success code is equals to 0, then get HTTP, connect the flow. We need to set up our Open Weather API account. To get the necessary API keys, go to Open Weather API, login, and sign up for free account. Once login, navigate to your account settings and copy your API key, my API keys, and here you can see the API key and the weather in your city. As for example, we are checking the weather in Mumbai. The location is Mumbai, .in, and the API keys are here. Get the link from here and paste in HTTP get location Mumbai. Add your API keys here. And the output will be a response and a status code. Done. Firstly, check if the link is working or not. So you just have to copy this. Open your Chrome. As you can see, the data is coming. The temperature, humidity and all. So yeah, it's working. Open your Smokecode IDE. So if the status code which means the link is working, is 200, then we will use a JSON get to extract the data from there. Use JSON get, connect the flow, double tap on the node and JSON object and key. Here you can see that the output is status code and response. So pass response here, JSON object, and the key will be open that link. As you can see, main, in main there is temperature and pressure, humidity and all. So firstly take this as an key and after that we will extract temperature from it. Use another JSON get. Connect the flow. Pass the output in the JSON get node. The output will be an object, JSON text or a JSON object, and the key will be temperature minimum. Pass the key here. And the data type will be a number. Done. Use a display node. Number or will. Done. Verify your flow. No errors and warning. Upload. Uploaded. Check your serial display. The temperature is in Kelvin, so we can convert the Kelvin into Celsius. For conversion, we can use a set value. Connect the flow and name your temperature. The formula for conversion is Kelvin temperature minus 273.15 and the temperature was 306.14 minus 273.15. Done. Display the converted temperature on serial monitor. Temperature. Done. Verify. Upload. Check your serial display. The temperature is the temperature in Mumbai is 32 degrees Celsius. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smoko channel for such awesome projects. Thanks for watching.